maximum power that can be dissipated at the junction without any damage to it. That's maximum power rating. So we have here diode resistances. Forward resistance, it is the resistance offered by the diode at forward bias condition. So we have two types, we have the DC and the AC. So for the DC, it is also called static resistance. So it is the ratio of the forward voltage to our forward current. So that's RS, S for static, equal to VF over IF. Another one, we have the AC forward resistance or the dynamic resistance. It is the ratio of, question?
Miss, ang IF, ano sa ikuan sa IF?
Forward current.
Forward current.
AC resistance or dynamic resistance, it is the ratio of the change of our forward voltage to the ratio of the change in our forward current. That's RD. Okay, RD or ang uban, nakaana na siya class RD. Ang ubang po, nakayunanin siya. Okay, that's RD. The formula for RD is the change in VF over the change in IF. In other books, sa Boylestad, nakailan na ba mo ni Boylestad? Wala pa. Okay, RD,
Ilan.
we have 26 millivolts divided by ID, or the diode resistance.
ID?
Resistance for diode current.
Time current.
ID. So, what is siya? Change in VF over change in IF. Or 26 millivolts all over ID. Dahil pa na ni klase, RD is nakayunanin.
Indo. Diode current. Information.
Kaning?
Details.
At kaning? Dynamic resistance.
RD.
Okay, na ang upang dynamic resistance na, so kay maminaw. Ang upang dynamic resistance kaniyang formula gihatag.
Wala, unsa man na, miss?
26 millivolts over ID plus RB. RB is body resistance.
Katong tunga, miss?
Dili. Body resistance sa diode. Tanang device na ilang resistances. So, naman na yung atag, body resistance. But, the body resistance or RB is very, 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 very small na pwede na to siya ma-neglect. Hence, mo na siya ma-formula. Okay? Pero ang gigamit na mo formula kay kanina. In electronics. Magamit na siya class next year, in third year ni.
Miss, 26 na? 26 millivolts, miss?
Millivolts. 26
Milli.
times 10 to the negative 3 volts.
Okay.
Okay. Nagrupo lagi mo mga mo kay tik paminaw. Sila kay tik jump down.
Ayaw sa. Dili lang.
Sa?
Dili lang.
Sa? Diode current.
Mga ID.
Okay. Do you have question? Next. It can be demonstrated through the solid state physics. Pamina. Solid state physics that the general characteristic of a semiconductor diode can be defined by the following equation. Referred to as Shockley's equation. So kung na itong formula, Shockley's equation
Shockley's?
for the forward and reverse bias region. So this is ID equals IF. IF times E raised to the power of VD all over N times VT.
Unsa naman na siya? Ang IS kay
International Space Station.
Okay, IS multiplied by E raised to the power of VD all over N VT.
so Miss, unsa nang IS, miss? IS.
Okay,
Ay,
the
tell.
formula class IS stands for
Reverse.
the reverse saturation current. VD is the applied forward bias voltage across the diode. M is for the ideality factor. Germanium 1, silicon 2, if not stated, assume 1 unless stated. Okay? 1 kung germanium, silicon 2. Pero kung wala gi-state, assume 1.
Like, kuan means ka nang igingon sa problem na kuan ang ideality factor kay germanium.
Oh, may kawan.
Ay,
So, silicon
state,
2. Pero kung wala gi-state, assume 1.
Assume 1.
And voltage VT is the thermal voltage. It is KT over Q. K is the Boltzmann's constant. Temperature, E in Kelvin. Q is the charge. Okay? This is 1.38 times 10 to the negative 23 joules per Kelvin, which is equal to electron volts per Kelvin. Muna siya ang conversion. And our Q is 1.60 times 10 or 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19 coulomb. Okay? Okay? By the way, nalinis ko po. Always kumain naman. Sige, go. Ha? Yes. Ana, di na siya. That's ideality factor.
Kuan pa demis ka nang kuan pa din na mo ang VT ay kuan sa substitute sa kuan formula para makuha ang diode resistance ay that.
Okay, balik na sa inverse bias class. I always forget this. Okay. Okay. So, in reverse bias condition, okay, di ba?
Oh.
Okay. So, for the PN junction, so for reverse bias condition, okay, so, okay, ipunan din sa inyo reverse bias, okay? So, in your class, di ba ang ato ang, paminaw, i-update ko na yung exam, basta di maminaw. Okay. So, di ba majority kay holes?
Yes, miss.
Majority is electron.
Yes, miss.
Majority is electron, minority is
Holes.
During our reverse bias condition, the depletion region is very, very large.
Yeah.
Okay? It's large enough to turn off our device. Diba? Now, during this time class, di ba ninyo po walay flow of current during reverse bias condition?
Oh.
That's for major carriers. Okay? Major na siya class. Major na siya.
Carriers.
Oh,
Ang-
carriers.
Carrier. Professional.
Major.
Pero ang minority sa duha miss.
Okay, now that's akong nakalimutan. So, ang minority diri is
Ang kuan electrons.
Electronics.
or electrons. Pag-abot diri,
Holes.
holes. That is positive, this is negative, this is negative. So, ang pananaw or ang fault sa atong minor carriers is the forward bias niya. Okay?
Ah.
Minor diri is negative or electrons.
Oh.
This is in reverse bias condition, naka-negative siya.
Mm.
Same sign, repel. Okay? So, ang buhaton niya class, naka-reverse bias man ka, sige kang mataas or slow nga, sa tawag na, patasan mo ang imong reverse bias condition, enough nga atong minor carriers managan.
Managan?
Yes, mo conduct of current. Monitor. Enough para mo conduct siya of current. That's for minor carriers. Major, naka-off siya. Pero ang atong minor class, ang namuna sa itong minor, na negative. Negative mapuko. So, mudagan ko away niya.
Reverse pa naman.
Okay? So, muna siya ginatawag na leakage current or reverse saturation current.
Mo na ang kuan miss kanang i-apply sa formula na dayon.
That's IS. That is leakage current.
Minor carrier.
IS.
Kaya managan.
Reverse saturation
Dagan gigano sige na reverse.
current or leakage
Dagan ka nga. Hindi mo dagan ka nga. Kan, di pa rin naman. Laki, bye-bye. Laki. Yan ang trauma naman.
Okay? Sa gini siya leakage current,
Oh, na-
is the flow of current sa tuwang
Minorities.
careers.
Yes.
Wa?
Yes, miss.
Okay, leakage current. Yes, minority.
Hindi.
Ano ganing na-flow?
Kay kuan miss ka nang nagka-leakage.
Repel, ano sa lang word? In electronics.
Gidagan.
Conduct. Ay, dili.
Attract, conduct, repel, sumasaw.
Opposite.
Okay, na-flow of minority careers because our minority career thinks that they are
Forward.
biased in forward bias
Ah,
condition.
last condition.
Okay, wala siya. Negative, na negative po. Hawak ko niya. I don't like
So kung kuan miss, kung naka forward bias ang majority, ang minority kay naka reverse.
Yes. Pero minor, nas na dilis na enough to turn off the device.
Ah.
Padung diri ang ato ang minority.
Mm.
Okay, ang ato ang major kay nagpagamay sa depression region. Ato mo overcome niya ang ato ang 0.7, 0.3, 1.2.
Dala ko rin.
Nanay 20,
Ay miss.
Sa overcome.
Miss, ang forward kay nagpadako sa depletion region. Ang forward nagpagamay.
Ang depletion, ang reverse bias condition muna yung gibira. Pag bira ni mo, didako ang depletion region. Okay? That's the thought. Okay, here. At temperature, by the way, class. By the way. Umaw, klase na, diba? Before ko balik mo. I want all of you to bring calculator, tagsa. Okay? Because it's very... Makasal gyapon, but... no. Because in exam, dili pwede cellphone. Ang gusto na ako class, sa pagkakaroon, best friend na naman na yung calculator.
Magpalit ko bag
I
calculator
swear.
ano kay ko.
Dapat best friend naman na yung calculator.
Calculate.
Okay, solve na to nga. Dapat kapalki mo tagsa.
Miss,
Dili mo, lumay, yun sa na ba eh? Nana, pag-solve ba, pero solve mo sa mo. Ay, wait lang, ano kayo, isa mga nana, di ba?
miss kanang kuan miss unsay kanang pwede na ay kanang bawal na calcio gamiton namo.
Pero ayaw lang ang programa ko.
Ah.
Sana dati yung programa, pero ayaw ka na na-screen ba?
Mm.
No, ayan, nakalamin niyo. Pero mga pwede yun, 991 EX, ES, 991,
FX.
570.
Casio gyapon na miss. Casio.
Sino yung sagot sa? Ako mga student before, bahala dili cash lang. Kailangan ko
Calcio.
Pasugapon nila sila. Pero ang nakaapan lang sa kanang ikaraan na calcio guys, mag-matter siya sa
Fraction.
sa tawag na parenthesis.
Oh, lagi miss.
Okay, sensitive man sa parenthesis na mga okay, so much for your method. Diba sin mali? At temperature of 27 degrees Celsius determine the thermal voltage. What's the formula for our thermal voltage?
Kuan miss KT over Q.
KT cubes. Okay, so KT cube. Okay, is 1.38 times 10 raised to the power of negative
23.
23 joules per Kelvin multiplied by temperature in Kelvin. 27 is in degrees Celsius. How to convert it into Kelvin?
Plus
73.
3.
Okay? Celsius to Kelvin. Okay? Temperature in Celsius plus 273 is equals to temperature in degree Kelvin.
27.
Minus.
Okay.
Ayan, Fahrenheit.
So this is 300. Okay? All over, what's our Q? 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19.
Kana sa kuan mis ay kanang iya na power sa mga karaan na calculator mis mo sita zero.
Yes. This is equal to I think this is equal to 25.8.9 millivolts or approximately 26 millivolts. Okay, that's VT. Next question. The forward current through a silicon diode is 10 milliamperes at room temperature. The corresponding forward voltage is 0.75 volts. Solve the reverse saturation current.
Reverse
Okay?
saturation
Reverse
IS.
saturation current is
IS.
Okay, ang formula gali is IB is equals to IS e raised to the power of VT all over N VT minus 1. Ang minus 1 gas is base na siya, di na siya exponent.
Ay, exponent din na tanan mis kanang VD over
Kani,
NV.
kani.
Ah.
Ang minus 1 is base. Muna na siya E minus 1 ba? Ang E na
Hmm.
exponent.
Ayun, kuan mis damang mis.
Wait, ako solve para ma-clear. Okay? Ang gipangita is IS. So you just need to divide both sides by this one. So ang IS is equals to ID all over E, VT, all over N, VT,
Minus 1.
One, cancel.
Okay? What is our ID? ID is 10.
10?
10 times 10 to the negative 3 ampere. 10 meaning all over E raised to the power of VD 0.75 volts. N is
1.
2.
Ay, 2.
Silicon.
Silicon dai.
Okay, silicon. Germanium is 1, silicon is 2. 2. Okay. Multiplied by, what's our VT? VT is KT over Q. K is 1.38 times 10 to the negative 23. Multiplied by T, room temperature plus 27. So 27 plus 273. Yes. Nine ubang books plus 25 ang room temperature or ambient temperature lang gigamit. Okay? In here, akong gigamit lang is 27. Pero kung stated sa akong exam no, 25 ang ambient, 25 ang gamiton. Okay? In here, 27 lang akong gigamit. So 27 ang room temperature nga gigamit, pwede na akong mag-solve lang.
Ay, kuan mis.
27 plus 273, 300. So murag kani. Which is equals to 26 millivolts. Millivolts kay VT man. Okay. Minus 1. Pwede yung solve. Kaya ang day kami, laylay answer. Sige daw, tamo daw. Thank you.
Thank you. Good.
Kasi R kami. Kung nag-solve nila.
Kuan miss, kung palitan miss naka ay given ang di kailangan di kaya po solve ang VT miss no. Kagtuy.
Sige, continue.
Di mo gana na sa calculus miss. Karaan na yung calculus ni.
Sige daw, what's the answer?
MDAS. So,
Imuhan na siya. Imuhan ko. Okay. Mas not Class, by the way, inyong calculator ba, feeling nyo, din na mo answer clear. Kaya, i-solve sa calculator, nagkaroon ko na store. So, iyang kung ako is
Nag-iba, asa naman?
Bilang, sir. Tayo. Ay, declare na rin, no?
Please, negative one.
Oh, yeah. Nakabili mo na.
0.68.
Nakabili mo na. Times
0.69, miss.
Milli. Di ba dyan malimutan ng milli? 26 millivolts. Oy! Yes, that's the answer. 5.45 nanoamperes. Random. Sige, ikipindot ito.
Mini. Pila eh, nano.
Sino
Oh,
na? Umay natin.
ilan?
Miss, nga lang na nano, miss.
Nano?
Oh?
Times 10 to the negative 9.
Ay, negative 9 na ni.
10.
Ito dahil ka itong
Ngayon, negative 9 na ni.
Dili. Idaw ang negative 1.